Good morning everyone. Welcome back to another class of graphic designing. In this class, I'm going to show you how to use this tool right here. Alright, so let's jump right in. Alright, we're starting by creating a new document. I'll leave my settings as it is and I'll click OK. I'll zoom it a little bit like this. So first of all, we're starting with this guy right here, Distort, and later on we will use the Envelop tool. The remaining one, I'll show you how to use them in the next coming video. So we're starting with the Distort. Let's say we have a shape like this, a circle, and here we have a rectangle. Let's put the rectangle here. Let's work on the ellipse first, the circle first. So grab your Distort, and as soon as you select the Distort, you see the Distort properties will just be available for you over here. And when you check here, you have push and pull distortion. Here you have a zipper distortion, and here you have twister distortion. What this does is that, let's say you're here and you do something like this. This is the kind of shape you're gonna get. Or if you come right here, you expand this, and then you're gonna see some presets. This is how your shape is gonna look like. You can do something like this, like that, like this. You can use the presets. You can use twister. This is the twister, how it looks. Something like this. You can use the stamp. This is the stamp. You can drag it like this or like that, or you can bring it inside a little bit like this, or you can use this guy right here, zipper. This is how zipper looks, something like that. I'll keep it, I'll leave it this way for now. So here, as you can see, after selecting the stamp, and you're gonna see it has shifted immediately here in the middle, and here we have the ability to control it like this to something like this. Let's say we put it right here to something like this, and when you click right here and you drag it like this, this is the shape you're gonna get. All right, so let's say we're working on this guy right here, and we drag it like this or like this. This is what you're gonna get. There are so bunch of things you can use. You can come right here. This is called randomize distortion. You can click it, yes, to randomize it by doing this thing. Let's take it to this side, like to something like this. You can increase it over here to let's say 90. It has increased. You can decrease it to 45 to 25. This is what you're gonna get. Here you have the ability to also increase the zipper. Let's say 50. This is what you're gonna get. You can go further, like 90 degrees, and this is what you're gonna get. This is called randomized distortion. And the next one is smooth distortion. Let's get back. So when you click right here, you're gonna see, hold on, let's say we have something like this. All right, something like this. So when you click right here, let's give it this kind of shape. Let's do something like this, right? Okay, so when you click right here, which is the smooth distortion, when you click it, it's gonna give it kind of, you know, a smooth looking shape. Let me get back, and when you click right here, this is how it's gonna look like. It's looking like kind of smooth. See, you can use this guy here to, let's say, to put a price within this place. It works really fine, trust me. You can increase it to 50, 40, or maybe 25. This is what you're gonna get. Let me make it a little bit sharp like this, something like that, right? So the next one is localized distortion. This is localized distortion, how it works. You can create something like this or something like that to bring it out and all that, right? So here you have even the ability to clear the distortion by clicking here. It's gone. Let's get back and let's select this guy right here. This is called center distortion. If you click it and you do something like this, this is what you're gonna get. Something cool, right? You can bring it right here. You can even apply the color in it. This is how it's gonna look like kind of flower looking. Let's get back. All right, so let's use the rectangle tool. Make sure you have the distort and you click the first one. You do something like this. This is the shape you're gonna get, or you use the zipper to drag it like this. This is what you're gonna get. You can go further, like 90. Yeah, you can increase the zipper to 45, 25, or 10. This is what you're gonna get. And if you click right here, which is randomized distortion, you do something like this. This is what you're gonna get. And this guy here, this is the smooth distortion. It's just making the lines look much more smoother. So when you click here and you do something like this, this is what you're gonna get. All right, so let me show you one thing you can use this distortion for. Let's say you're working on maybe a business card. Maybe you have a shape like, now maybe let's say you're working on a banner or a flyer. You have something like this with no stroke. You have something like this. You come right here and you click in the middle, and you come right here to convert to curve. Now has been converted. Now you have the ability to do something like this. Let's say you're working on like a banner or a flyer or something. This is what it can be done. Let's give it the stroke line for now. So you can use this guy right here. You make a shape like this and you take the distort and you select this guy right here in the middle, which is the zipper, and you do something like this. You can go further to 45. Yeah, let's give it 25. This is what you're gonna get. And when you click this guy right here and you drag it this way, this is how it's gonna look. And we need to add the smoother in it, so I'll make sure to come right here, select the smooth, and then do something like this. And let me decrease this 25 to 10 maybe, and this is what I'm gonna get. And I'll make sure I'm happy with this, and then I'll put it right here with the blue color, no stroke. And you can take this and put it somewhere over here. Let's say I right click it and I click power clip inside, and I just click it inside right here. So right now is within this red box. So if I want to edit it, put it right here in the corner, I'll just come right here, click edit and select it, and just make it big like this and put it somewhere like here. This helps you especially when it comes for, maybe let's say you want to give it a price, or maybe a class. Let's say this is class 10. Maybe that is what you can use this guy for. Class 10, let's give it white color with bold. This is what you can use this guy for. And you can come right here, take the smart fill and just fill this place to something like that. Decrease it a little bit, something like that. All right, so let's move on to another one. So the next one is this guy right here, envelope. This is what you can use the envelope for. Let's say you have a shape like this. Let me draw something right quick. Let's say I have this glass of wine. Let's say I have something like that. I make sure I stand here, I hold control and I drag it like this, and I release it with the right click. Select them and then I combine. Remember this process, and you make sure to come to shape and then select these arrows and you click right here to join the nodes together. Make sure to select here too and then join the node together. So right now we have one object like this. You have the ability to fill it with any color now. I'll leave it with empty color for now, and let's say I have another one over here. Something like this. All right, so let's make it a little bit longer and put it right here. Make this one dark and put this one behind. Let's fill it so you see what we're working on. Right now, as you can see, is behind it. Select it and put it right here for now. I'll get back to it later. So let's say we have a text. Let's say design. Let's give it frankly bold. reduce it a little bit to something like that. So make sure you select your text and you take your envelope tool, and then you come right here to this guy. You see this guy right here. It's called create envelope from. When you click it, and you make sure to come right on the line right here, and you click this, and this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get this looking shape. You can put it right inside here, and this is what you can use the envelope for. Let's remove the red color for now, and this is what you're gonna get. And let's say we have a shape like this, and you take the envelope tool. You can like make your own custom shape that you want, to something like this or like that. Or maybe you can come right here to expand this arrow here, and then you click the circular, sorry. Yes, here are the preset that Coreldraw provided for you. And here's the this guy right here. You have the ability to control it to any shape you want. Pinch. We have push down. Push down is also great. We have push up. I'll keep it pinch. Freehand. Rectangle. So now let's say we want to put something inside right here. So let's say we have a text like this. Make it bigger so it will be the same size as this shape, something like this. Make it bold, and I want to put it inside right here. So what I'll do, I'll make sure I select my text. I grab my envelope tool and I come right here. It's called create envelope from. I click it and I'll see this arrow, and I'll just click this line. Boom! Immediately I'm gonna get this shape. So I can even put them inside right here. You can reduce it to something like this to fit it inside. You can even add the color in it to something like that. Alright, that's it for this video. It was about showing you these amazing tools, what you can use them for. I hope you enjoyed the class. Please do subscribe if you not yet subscribed to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell. Next time when I upload the new video, you're not gonna miss that video. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next class. Take care and have a good day.